Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Okay, so yesterday was a pretty lengthy discussion and I don't think I need to get into the details of Bitcoin and what's happening for Bitcoin again, because the story is pretty much the same. I've laid down the parallel channel on this coin right now, and the parallel channel just is still there. Okay, the prices, they don't have a significant change from the past 24 hours, and I don't expect the prices to change, and I want Bitcoin to close near $28,000 on the weekly time frame. Okay, today I'm gonna put in a little bit of a mystery in the Bitcoin update, because I told you before now that as the days keep on going, I get more clues that Bitcoin wants to drop. I get more clues. Now another clue is going to be done after 2 days. So in the next 2 days, I want Bitcoin to close between $27,800 and $28,000. These are the two places that I want to see Bitcoin close between. If Bitcoin closes between $27,500 something and $28,000, then I'm going to tell you why exactly I wanted to see Bitcoin doing that, because that's going to give me more confidence. That's going to give me one more reason, and I'm going to tell you one more thing that Bitcoin has just done. So do expect Bitcoin to stay in this price level again for the next 1 or 2 days. And there's a reason for that one. There's anything that happens in the market, don't think that there's nothing going on. Everything that happens has a reason, and the reason why, I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to tell you whatever this consolidation was, whatever this was, there was something that is happening behind the hood. Okay, under the hood, there's something that is cooking. They're cooking something, and they're cooking something that they have been establishing for 19 days now, and it's going to be stretched to 21 days. So for 21 days or 19 days, they are making something, and that's going to make sense when the next week candle opens. Right now, I'm just going to leave you with that mystery a little bit. Just keep an eye on the channel, and this is expected to remain. Okay, this sideways movement, I want it to remain. I want it to remain between like this for the next few days, and then we're going to see. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin. Enjoy the vacation. I think Bitcoin is on vacation, holidays. Do take your holidays as well. Nothing bad with that. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.